guys, I'm Roshni. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about some important questions on Indian education policy. Now here we start. Question number 1 is Operation Blackboard was started in the year. The options are option number A 1990, option number B 1988, option number C 1986 and option number D 1980. And here the answer will be option number C 1986. Now question number 2. In India after independence, which was the first education commission? And the options are option number A UGC, option number B Muraliar Commission, option number C Radhakrishnan Commission and option number D Kothari Commission. And the answer will be option number C Radhakrishnan Commission. Question number 3. DIET stands for. Now the options are option number A District Education of Educational Technology, option number B District Institute of Elementary Training, option number C District Institute of Education and Training and option number D District Institute of Elementary Teachers. And the answer will be option number C District Institute of Education and Training. Now question number 4. Learning without burden is the tagline of. Options are option number A Operation Blackboard, option number B National Curriculum Framework, option number C Yashpal Committee and option number D National Policy of Education. And the answer will be option number C Yashpal Committee. Now question number 5. Three-language formula was formulated in option number A NPE 1968, B NPE 1986, option number C NCF 2005 and option number D Education Commission 1964 to 1966. And the answer will be option number A NPE 1968. Now question number 6. According to NPE 1986, education is option number A investment, B return, C national program and D social program. And the answer will be option number C national program. Now question number 7. The aim of NCTE is option number A to open college of education, B to promote research in education, C to provide grant to colleges of education, D to maintain standards in colleges of education. The answer will be D to maintain standards in colleges of education. Now question number 8. What was the purpose of midday meal scheme at primary level? The options are A to keep primary teachers engaged, B to increase enrollment in primary schools, C to provide employment to cooks, D to provide one square meal to children every day. And the answer will be option number B to increase enrollment in primary schools. Now question number 9. According to NCF 2005, role of a teacher is of a option number A dictator, B facilitator, C authoritative, D permissive. And the answer is option number B facilitator. Now question number 10. Kothari Commission report was entitled as option number A Education and National Development, B Learning to Be, C Diversification of Education, D Education and Social Change in Democracy. And the answer is option number A Education and National Development. Now question number 11. Navodaya Vidyalaya provide education to option number A rural talented students, B urban students, C girls students only, D rural students. And the answer is option number A rural talented students. Now question number 12. Navodaya schools have been established for option number A increase number of students in rural area, B provide good education in rural areas, C complete Sarva Shiksha Abhijan and D check wastage of education in rural areas. And the answer is option number A increase number of students in rural area. Now question number 13. NCERT was established in the year option number A 1956, B 1964, C 1961 and D 1958, and the answer is option number C 1961. Now question number 14, Operation Blackboard was introduced to improve option number A secondary education, B higher education, C primary education, D teacher education, and the answer is option number C primary education. Now question number 15, as per RTE, a primary school should be located within how many kilometers from a student's house? Option number A 2 kilometer, B 1 kilometer, C 3 kilometer, and D 4 kilometer. And the answer is option number B 1 kilometer. Now question number 16, RTE Act 2009, that means Right to Education Act 2009, is based on which article of Constitution of India? The options are option number A Article 22, B Article 44, C Article 45, D Article 86, and the answer is option number C Article 45. Now question number 17, according to RTE 2009, Right to Education Act 2009, what should be the pupil-teacher ratio between class 6 to 8? The options are A 30:1, B 35:1, C 40:1, and D 20:1. And the answer is B 35:1. So guys, please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye.